Hello everyone. Welcome to another video regarding our project Text to Video Summarizer. This is Jen. Today I am going to walk through the application that we have built and I will tell you how things are going to work. First, let me tell you about the project briefly. We all struggle to keep up with the ever growing information that we get daily. Our tool smoothens the job by summarizing the content you provide. The content can be provided in various formats like document, video, blog, or even a YouTube video. Diving into the application, this is our application's homepage. The homepage describes the things like what is our tool, why is it necessary, and how it works. And also the main thing, how one can use our tool. In this side, we can observe the two other pages, summarizer and settings. The settings will contain about the notifications while the summarizer page is used to summarize the content. Now, let's get into the main page summarizer. You already know that our application accepts the data in many formats. The formats are text, documents, blogs, YouTube, and a video file. For the summarizer to summarize the things, it needs text. So we need to pre-process the information given by the user. For the text input, we can directly give to the model, but the other things need to be pre-processed. So for the documents and the blocks, we use Python modules to extract the text from it, and we scrape the things from block to extract the text. When it comes to the video part, we extract the text using a transcript from a YouTube video. Whereas in case of a video file, we first extract the audio file from it. After extracting the audio file, we convert it into a text file. So these are the things that are working in the background to extract the text from the given input. Coming to the user input, the user will be able to upload multiple documents at a time and a single blog link. And when it comes to YouTube part, the user will have a choice of two things, YouTube video and YouTube channel. In case of a YouTube video, the summarizer summarizes the video provided. When it comes to YouTube channel, it summarizes the latest video of the provided YouTube channel. So the processed data of the user's input will be given to the model to give the summary. Now let's get into the details of the model we are using. So these are the details of the model. We are using the base model as T5 by the Google. Google provides many variants of this T5 model like T5 base, T5 large, T5 small. We are using the variant T5 base and fine tuning it on the summarization dataset. We have used the dataset booksum, which has the summarization of the book's content in a better format than the other datasets. Initially, we have the thoughts of using Llama, and we also tried fine tuning the Llama model, and we are able to get the fine tuned model and the summary from it. But when it comes to integration it with the application, it becomes difficult for us. It requires more space than the available one, even after using the containerization techniques like Docker. So we have shifted to the model T5 by Google. Even this is equally efficient with the Llama. For the integration with the application, we have used a Docker, Flask API, and a deployment platform Render. First, we containerized all the required data into the Docker using Flask API. And then we have deployed that Docker file into the render platform. Now, the render platform will give us a URL which can be requested by the application to get the summary. So let's look into the example of the summary. This is an example of the text summarization. The user provided an information about the latest film and it gives the summary in a short format. So this is our application and we will get into details of the architecture diagram. So this is the overview of the project, the architecture diagram. When it comes to the website, it is built on Streamlit framework. So it will be deployed on the Streamlit platform. The home page will contain the home page and the summarizer page and the settings page. The home page will contain the details of the website and how to use it and what it can do. Coming to the next, the main page summarizer, it contains the details and the type of input that it accepts from the user. And the Python modules, web scraping, the transcript, and the audio text are the things that we do in the background to get the processed data from the user input. This processed data needs to send to the model to summarize. So the model is deployed on a platform called Render using Flask API and the fine-tuned T5 model and the containerizing technique Docker. All these things will make the application efficient to use without wasting the user's time. And whenever the process data is sent to the model on the render, we we will get the summarized text in return, which will be displayed to the user. And when it comes to the settings page, we will be having the notifications part. The user can enable the notifications for the selected YouTube channels. Whenever a latest video is uploaded to the YouTube channel provided, we will invoke the pipeline and we will summarize the things and we will be notifying you. For the notifications part, we are using the API called notifications API in the JavaScript. So these are all the things regarding the project till date. Thank you for listening to the video.